Have you ever wondered how to start a social media marketing agency as a beginner in 2023? Welcome to this exciting journey into the dynamic world of social media marketing. In the digital era we live in, social media marketing has become not just an option, but a necessity for businesses. It's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can drastically increase brand visibility and sales. But how does one get started? What are some key considerations for beginners? That's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. We'll delve into the process of setting up a social media marketing agency, finding clients, and turning a profit. We'll also discuss how to establish a secure payment method and share additional tips and resources to help you succeed. So whether you're a seasoned professional or just dipping your toes in, there's something for everyone. Ready to dive into the world of social media marketing? Let's get started. Scene script. First things first. What is a social media marketing agency? Well, in its simplest form, a social media marketing agency is a business that provides a specialized service to other companies. It's the secret weapon many businesses use to keep up with the ever-changing digital landscape. These agencies focus on promoting brands, products, and services on various social media platforms, helping businesses connect with their target audience in a meaningful and engaging way. The beauty of a social media marketing agency is its profitability. With the right strategies, it can yield significant returns for both the agency and its clients. Plus, the overhead costs are relatively low, making it a financially attractive business model. Starting a social media marketing agency isn't as daunting as it may initially appear. It's all about understanding the market, identifying the needs of potential clients, and offering solutions that address those needs. So you see, starting a social media marketing agency isn't as complex as it might seem. So how do you find clients and start making money? Well, it all begins with identifying your target audience. This is where a bit of research comes into play. You need to find out who needs your services, what platforms they're using, and how they prefer to communicate. Instagram is a goldmine for finding niche brands and clients. Once you've got a clear view of your target audience, it's time to use archetypal marketing. This means you'll be using common character types that resonate with your audience. Think of the hero, the outlaw, or the sage. These archetypes can serve as a guide for your marketing strategy, helping you craft messages that will connect with your potential clients on a deeper level. Now that you have a strategy, it's time to start reaching out. This is where the real work begins. You'll start messaging potential clients, setting up meetings, and pitching your services. This can be a daunting task, but remember, you're offering a valuable service that can help businesses grow. When it comes to selling your services, confidence is key. You need to believe in your ability to deliver results. This can be challenging, especially when you're just starting out, but remember, everyone starts somewhere. It's also worth noting that persistence pays off. You might not land a client on your first try, or your second, or even your third. But if you keep at it, you'll eventually break through, and when you do, it will be worth all the hard work you've put in. As you gain experience, you'll learn how to navigate objections and negotiate prices. You'll also learn how to get paid while you're on the call, which is a great way to ensure you're compensated for your time. But here's the thing, businesses are more than willing to work with people who lack experience or expertise. What they care about is results. So, if you can deliver, you'll have no problem finding clients and making money. Remember, finding the right clients is crucial to your success. It's not just about making money, it's about building relationships and helping businesses grow. So keep that in mind as you embark on your social media marketing journey. Now that you've got potential clients, how do you get paid? A question that's as crucial as it is practical. In the world of social media marketing, having a secure and convenient payment method is vital. This is where services like Stripe or PayPal come into the picture. These platforms are not just payment gateways, they are bridges connecting you and your clients. To set them up, it's as simple as creating an account, verifying your details, and linking your bank account. Stripe is known for its seamless transactions and robust security measures. It's a popular choice among businesses, big and small. PayPal, on the other hand, is globally recognized and widely accepted. It's user-friendly and can handle international transactions with ease. Remember, the key here is convenience. A smooth payment process will keep your clients happy, and a happy client is good for business. Having a reliable payment method not only makes transactions easier but also builds trust with your clients. So choose wisely and set yourself up for success. Scene script. Before we wrap up, here are a few more tips and resources. When it comes to lead generation, remember that it's a numbers game. The more leads you reach out to, the higher your chances of landing a client. Utilize various platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook to find potential clients. Don't shy away from cold calling or emailing, as these can be effective strategies too. As you start gaining clients, consider hiring talent to help manage your workload. Look for individuals who are experts in different areas of social media marketing. This could be someone who excels at content creation or perhaps someone with a knack for analytics. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. Building a team can help you scale your agency faster and more effectively. Overcoming objections is another crucial aspect of social media marketing. You'll likely face objections from potential clients about your lack of experience or the cost of your services. The key here is to be prepared. Understand the common objections in the industry and prepare responses that showcase the value of your services. Remember, every objection is an opportunity to showcase how your agency can solve a problem for the client. Lastly, we know starting your own agency can be daunting. That's why we're offering a free call with our Student Success Manager. They're here to answer any questions you might have, provide guidance, and help you navigate any challenges you might face. This is an invaluable resource, so don't hesitate to take advantage of it. With these resources and tips, you are now ready to start your journey as a social media marketing agency. Good luck!